Hello guys, my name is Prajwal Kaledar. I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. My department is Electronics and Communication. I'm discussing about the topic is nanomaterials. This is guided by Sunitha Mam. Today's agenda: introductions. What is nanotechnology? What is nanoskills? What is nanomaterials? Nanomaterials characteristics. When nanotechnology started. Approaches of nanotechnology. Applications of nanotechnology. We are first discussing about the what is nanotechnology and the what are the uses and what are the properties of the nanotechnologies. What is the beauty of the nanotechnology we are about to discuss now. The design, characterization and application of the structure, devices and systems by controlling, manipulating of the size, shape of material at the nanoscales, atoms, molecules and the macromolecule scales to produce materials with at least one novel superior characteristics of the properties. Uh, the next topic is nanoscale. A nanomaterials in 1000 of the meter. People are interested in the nanoscales because at the scale of the physical and the chemical property of the material uh, differ in the significantly from those at the large scale. This is the uniqueness of the nanoscale. What is nanomaterials? Indifferent as any materials that has a unique or the novel properties due to the nanoscales, nanomaterials and the nanoscales structurizing. These are the formed by the incorruptions for struggling for the nanoparticles. They are subdivision into the nanocrystals, nanopowers and the nanotubes. A sequence and the nanoscales of 660 atoms like Buckminster fullerenes arranged into the long, thin, cylindric structures. These are some of the uniqueness and the definition of the nanomaterial. The nanomaterial characteristics. Nanomaterials exhibits a large and the unique property due to their nanoscale size. The physical properties like has been shown the large surface area, quantum size affects mechanical properties, thermal properties, and optical properties. When nanotechnology is started, in some senses, nanoscience and the nanotechnologies are not new. Chemists have been making polymers, which are the large molecule made up of the nanoscales, subnets for many decades, and the nanotechnologies have been used to create the tiny features of the computer chipset of the past 20 years. Bottom up or top down. Bottom up approach seeks to have the smaller component built up into more complex assemblies with top down approaches seeks to create nanoscale devices by the using large externally controlled or to direct these assembles. The top-down approaches often using the traditional workshops of micro abrasions methods when the exactly controlling tools are used to cut miles and the sharp materials into the designs, shapes and orders. The below two images are to be seen for you peoples.